It was a no-brainer. Yeah. My name is Ben Mullican. I work for a company called Mastip Technology. My role here is VP of Manufacturing.
Mastip is a global leader in hot runner solutions, empowering industries from medical to automotive to create high-quality polymer products. Headquartered in Auckland, New Zealand, with branches across the US, EU and Asia, Mastip reaches customers in over 40 countries through a strong distributor network, exporting nearly all of its products worldwide. Since 1991, Mastip has been innovating hot runner technology, delivering advanced nozzle and manifold designs that tackle even the toughest polymers.
So solely we are machining metal, tool grade steels for the mold industry. We're generally using CNC equipment for most machining, including EDM wire cutting and surface grinding, cylindrical grinding.
Today, they offer flexible hot half and manifold only solutions for high cavity and multi-material applications, all backed by top-tier global support.
Having supplier partnerships is very important to me, and one supplier that we have a great partnership with is Iscar.
Mastip has established a strong partnership with Iscar Plus, benefiting from their wide range of brands and comprehensive tooling solutions.
One thing I find with Iscar, because they do bring in many different brands under their umbrella, we also run all our tooling through Matrix software, so everything is controlled. I don't need to worry about things. I'm not chasing stockouts continuously.
Ben joined the team 8 years ago and quickly introduced a Matrix vending machine, drawing on his experience from a previous role where he set up and used the system successfully.
First we put in a Matrix Maxi machine and filled that up. Then we found that we needed more room due to a lot of long tools that we have and being able to reconfigure the drawers to fit that. So we put a DLS unit in, and then we put another DLS unit in, and then eventually, and quite recently, we put in the Matrix Toolport so we could release individual inserts at once. That kind of sped the process up a bit for the team. Stock control is very good in the Matrix system, something that I also can have control over. I can access that from my office, settle the min-maxes. Any stock shortages get notified to me. We could resolve that immediately and also understand why. So data is key. So having that data to be able to analyze situations. So it's very versatile and you can set it up how you please to make it extremely user-friendly. We did have a major reduction in inventories when I first set up the Matrix.
Before Matrix, Ben's team faced challenges with stock management, duplications, mismanagement, and inefficiencies. Now, Matrix tracks usage and stock levels precisely, reducing inventory, cutting costs, and boosting their efficiencies.
When it comes to the support for the Matrix, that's been excellent. Our tooling rep will come, make sure things are running correctly. I would definitely recommend Matrix software system or tooling management to other customers, definitely.